Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can have your cat go out with you and have them kind of like go on top of your head in Heartopia. So make sure your cat is sociable and clingy because it is easier for them to want to go out with you. So here's just an example. My cat Rocket is sociable and clingy, and he is willing to just go out with me, and my other cat, Burnt Toast, isn't as willing as Rocket because she is unsociable and sensitive. However, she did go out with me like just a few minutes before I recorded this, as you can see on the thumbnail. But now she all of a sudden didn't want to go out with me. So here I'm gonna try it with Burnt Toast first. So I press the like paw icon and press go out, but as you can see, it says the kitty isn't interested in going out right now. But if I um do it here on Rocket and press go out, as you can see, he wants to go out and have a walk. Well, he's just on my head, so it's technically not a walk, but that is it. That's how you can get your cat to go out. And I'm not even like level 2 with Rocket. He's still level 1, but because he is sociable and clingy, it is very easy to go out with him. Um, just like one day, I think I was like AFK on Heartopia for like a few hours, and then when I came back, he was just already on top of my head. And I think that's how you can like kind of initiate it if it's not available yet, like the like icon to go out, maybe possibly. But yeah, now I can go out with both my cat and my dog at the same time. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Here I'm just showing you guys that I'm going out with both my cat and my dog. Sorry, Burnt Toast, you're not coming with us. I'm just kidding. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.